Suffering from hair loss? There are natural foods to help regain hair loss and treat it. Stay tuned. Dihydrotestosterone (DHT), the hormone similar to testosterone that's thought to contribute to hair loss. Your body naturally converts about 5% of testosterone into DHT using an enzyme called 5-alpha reductase. Many foods are thought to decrease DHT production from testosterone. Here are 5 best foods that may block DHT. 1. Turmeric. Turmeric is a herb commonly used in cooking and for its health benefits as a powder extract. It has been shown, among other benefits, to reduce arthritis, improve cholesterol levels, and improve exercise recovery. These effects are linked to the high concentration of active compounds called curcuminoids in turmeric, of which curcumin is the most studied. Preclinical studies have shown that curcumin reduces the DHT level by blocking the effect of the alpha-5 reductase enzyme. 2. Pumpkin seeds. Hundreds of nutritious seeds rich in iron, zinc, magnesium and antioxidants are present in every pumpkin. Interestingly, pumpkin seed oil can encourage men's hair growth. In a 24-week study in 76 men, who took 400 mg pumpkin oil supplement daily with a male pattern of hair loss, they had considerably more hair growth than those receiving a placebo. However, the hair thickness between groups did not differ significantly. These findings have been attributed to the ability of pumpkin seed oil to inhibit testosterone DHT production by blocking the alpha-5 reductase enzyme. As such, further human trials are needed before pumpkin seed oil can be recommended for hair loss fighting. 3. Green tea. One of green tea's primary plant chemicals called epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, has been associated with health benefits like weight loss, heart health, and brain health. EGCG has also been shown to protect hair follicles from hair loss caused by DHT. Additional studies are needed to better determine whether drinking green tea or taking EGCG or green tea supplements blocks DHT and fights hair loss. The study has many limitations related to its small sample size and short treatment duration, but it helps pave the way for further research on the topic. 4. Coconut oil. Coconut oil comes from coconut kernel or coconut meat. It is commonly used for cooking because it is capable of resisting high cooking temperatures. The oil can also be used in beauty, skin care, hair treatment and overall health. Coconut oil is high in fat from triglycerides in the medium chain, MCT, primarily in the form of lauric acid, that have been shown to block production of DHT of animal studies. While these types of studies, known as preclinical studies, help researchers to identify whether a particular treatment can be efficient or safe. Therefore, clinical trials are necessary in humans before coconut oil can be recommended for hair loss prevention or treatment. 5. Onions. White onions add a sweet yet sharp taste to a host of dishes. It contains few calories, but has a high antioxidant content such as quercetin. Quercetin has been shown in preclinical studies to inhibit testosterone-induced DHT production by blocking the action of alpha-5 enzymes and reducing oxidative stress. In combination with a commonly recommended hair loss medication, for instance, quercetin has been shown to decrease DHT production in animal studies. Other quercetin-rich fruits and vegetables include asparagus, spinach, cod, apples and berries. DHT is a hormone that contributes to hair loss in both men and women. Green tea, onions and pumpkin seeds may lower DHT levels and prevent hair loss. Additional studies in humans are needed before specific nutrients can be recommended. Do you agree with our list? Join the discussion and let us know in the comments what you think. If you like help putting these cool ideas to work in your fitness journey, get in touch via the link below. We'd love to help you.